we create a new activity. It's an empty activity. I call it AdvanceViewPager activity and generate a layout file. Oh, sorry about that. Start over. In the activity folder, I create a new activity. It's an empty activity, and I name it AdvanceViewPager activity. Then import R if it doesn't import automatically. So then go to the layout file. So I use a linear layout here, and the linear layout need an orientation vertical. So in this view pager, I want to put a title like this one. If you click the title, then you can switch to the content fragment, login fragment. You can also swipe the screen, swipe the screen. Then, so for the title, we need a space for that part. So it's a tab. The name is the. So you can customize your own navigation bar, but in the class, I want to show you how to use the system navigation bar. You can just set a title list for it without set layout. Tab layout. If we just tab layout. For the tab layout, I think we need a dependence. Design. Design package. Yeah, we need a design package for that part. Support after support package. So when you use Android support package, you have to keep the version consistent. So if you use the 26, you have to change the design package to 26 and 1 and 0. So if you don't have the consistent version, they will have some conflict. So you have to keep all the support Android support version the same version. So you can just compile and com.android.support and design, and the same version with the constraint layout and the support layout. So whenever you put something in the dependence and sync your Gradle, it will download this package. Replace use implement. Then in the layout file, we can find the tab layout. And the width is match parent, height at the navigation bar height is 80 VP. So whenever you want, if you find some new view in the search from Google, but if you paste it here, if you find it's some error and you cannot find it, that means you don't have the support package. Or if you download a third-party view but you cannot use it here, so that may be caused by it didn't download. The Gradle didn't download it. It didn't sync the Gradle. Because this is compiled and targeted to the version 26 and target version 2023. So that's why we use the support package. If you are compile SD version in the very high version and the target version with a very high version, for example for Android 8, and actually all the tab layout and the constraint layout or all the ViewPager, we always use the support package. So in that part, all this package already inside the new version of Android. So if you change just develop for the 28 or the Android 8.0, so you just need to use tab layout. You don't need to include the support package. Then give the tab layout ID is when it's ViewPager and title. Then after tab layout, we put a ViewPager match parent and height match parent ID. Then class ID AdvanceViewPager. Then we need these two views, and in the advanced view page activity, we use bolt knife. We introduce last class. Find this. Then we can use AdvanceView r.id.advance, and that's a tab layout and tab layout title, and another view r.id.advance ViewPager is the ViewPager and repeat. We import the ViewPager. So with the button knife, it's very convenient to find the view by the ID. Then we create a fragment list for the ViewPager, so like we did in the first ViewPager activity. Then, but when this, because we have a navigation bar, so every fragment has a title. So like the news app, you have local, you have political, or you have and some other news, different category. So for each category, we use one fragment and has a title. So inside the fragment list, we have to put a title for each fragment. So we use as a list and pair and fragment. So because according to your gradual setting, so you have to select the fragment when you import a fragment. So you have to choose accordingly choose the fragment, because in this project we always use v4 package, so we have to import the fragment from v4 package. It's a fragment list equal to new array list. And the pair in the it's a pair with a string and fragment. So we put a pair in the list. Then a pair had a string for the fragment and a fragment. A string is the fragment's title. And how many fragments we have? Now 2 fragments. So just use these 2 fragments. Then the fragment list dot add new pair string is first and new work fragment. We put 4 fragments here, the second and third and fourth. So the second one we use demo fragment, and the third one we use demo fragment. Then we have a fragment list. So next we create adapter for the fragment view pager. So go to adapter. The skill tab use pager adapter, and the view pager adapter we use fragment pager adapter. Then we create another one, Java class AdvanceViewPager. Adapter. We call it AdvanceViewPager adapter, and superclass we use fragment state pager adapter. Then we implements necessary method here, also a constructor. So we have three different pager adapter. We have a pager adapter, fragment pager adapter, and fragment state pager adapter. So if I go to a superclass about a fragment pager adapter, you can see a fragment pager adapter extends from pager adapter, and the fragment state pager adapter also extends from pager adapter. So the only difference is about extended item part and destroy item part. These two methods. And if you compare the fragment pager adapter and fragment state pager adapter, you will find some. So you can see this part, the fragment pager adapter. So if you compare the two adapters, you will find the difference inside this method and destroy item method. So we don't. I will not show you the detailed logic about that part, but I will show you what's the difference when we use it. So the fragment state pager adapter is the most complex one, but why I introduced these three pager adapters, because in the development, if you are a beginner, you don't know everything about the pager adapter, you just choose the complex one. So that will be safe for your application. Then you will not have the crash problem. But if you are experienced developer, so nothing is better. Nothing is bad. Is the best. It's according to your demand for the current scenario. So according to your demand, if you just have a very simple view pager, you can just use the simplest one. But if you have very complex logic, if you always load each fragment inside each category, so that's the best choice. The state pager adapter is the best choice. So there's no best view, but just which one is most suited for the current application. And inside the advanced pager adapter, we accept the parameter is the fragment list. And we convert the fragment list to a field from local variable. Make a field. Then get count method, we always return the fragment list size. And we need one more method, is the, as a copy from here. Get page title. So we need one more method, is get page title. This method will call by the tab layout. The tab layout is combined with the adapter. Then it will call this method to get the current page, the title. Then according to the position, then we'll show you the indicator about which page you are in. Then because the item inside the list is a pair, and the pair dot first is the string and dot second is the fragment. And so that's why inside the get item part, we return a fragmented list dot get position and dot second. It will return the fragment. So that's all we need for the adapter. Then go back to advanced view page activity. We construct the advanced page adapter. Okay, adapter new advanced page adapter. Then this dot get fragment manager. Just get fragment manager and the fragment list. So this error is because I give the fragment manager not v4 package fragment manager. Then the last thing we need to do is ViewPager set adapter. Set ViewPager. The adapter ViewPager dot set adapter, then adapter, and the tab layout title set. You put the method here. So if there's the arrow, that support, it will show you a suggestion. But if you don't have choice, just choose this one, then it will give you the correct support for fragment manager. Then the vp.set adapter, then use the adapter title, set method is called setup with ViewPager and view. Inside this method, the tab layout will get adapter after the ViewPager. So then it will call the get title method of the ViewPager. I think I delete one file I shouldn't delete. Oh, I missed one step in the fragment, demo fragment. K6 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So K7 intent. That's demo fragment and the main fragment. Main activity extend from base activity. So if we want to go to another activity, we can get activity, then it's main activity and dot start activity, then AdvanceViewPager activity.class. So because the main activity extends from base activity, and we customize the start activity, so we don't need the intent anymore. We just get activity and cast it to main activity. Then we can use the start activity method of the main activity. Then we directly go to AdvanceViewPager activity. And AdvanceViewPager. And then we have 4 pages and with the title.